Claritee now offers a rich text editor for each project. Up in the top right from the sitemap, you have the button to click and open it. Now, I've already entered a little bit of information here, but I want to talk about the ways that you use this. So oftentimes when we start projects, we start with some initial set of information. It could be just a few notes. So you could hit slash here and add a bullet list and maybe add just a few notes. Or it could be a detailed project requirements document. Maybe you copy and paste that in, which you can also do. It's very easy to use. You just press slash and you can add any of these sections, headings, numbered list, bullet list, and coming soon, table, image, video, audio, embed a file, or use the emojis. And you can also see the shortcuts right here as well if you want to step even faster forward than using the slash command. So this is just a great way to, again, get everybody on the same page, launch your projects with Claritee, with a lot of insight into the purpose and the rules and however you want to use this. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope you enjoy using Claritee.